What's shaking, guys? My name is Luke Dancy, and I'd love for you to join me at the table.
Could I show you a trick? Yeah, show you something. I'm going to show you something. Oh, the aces. Okay, cool. Got the red ones. Oh no, what happened? Okay, we'll just do that then. We'll use the deuces as the substitutes for the black aces. I'm going to have you hold out both hands for me, and we're going to play a game. All right. What card is this?
The ace of spades.
Oh, you're good at using your imagination.
Yeah.
I like it. All right, cool. So we'll take the ace of spades, and we'll place it here. All right. Along with that, we'll use the
ace of clubs.
Ace of clubs. All right, we'll place that there. All right, now watch. All I have to do is come close, but not touch. When I do that, the cards actually change places because now, yeah, you can look at it. This time we're going to use the actual aces to make it really easy. So we got the ace of hearts. This time I'm going to create some confusion. Right or left?
Left.
We'll go right.
Okay.
So that's one.
Crap.
We got 3 more to go. The next one here, the ace of diamonds. No imagination needed. I'll even let you put it where you want it in the other hand now. All right. Good. So now you have 2 cards, and I have 2 cards. All right, watch. All it takes is just a sec to get the cards to change. Wait. Back. But actually, don't use your imagination anymore, right? Because if I now snap, turn over the cards, you actually now have
Dude,
the black aces
awesome.
in your hand.
That's really good.
Right about it.
I've got a signed card to pocket routine with no palming. That's right. If palming has ever thrown you off and you don't want to do it, now you can perform a signed card to pocket routine in minutes.
Oh crap. That means don't pick the joker, I guess. I totally wasn't ready. Sorry. All right, well, go ahead, just pick one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Have a look at it and sign it for me. Okay. And just put it back face down on the pack. And actually, you know what? Before I go forward, I should fix my problem from the beginning. Sorry. Let me get rid of that guy. And I'm going to give you the rest of the cards. So you take those. I'm going to take this and get rid of it. I want you to imagine that your card is the only card in the deck that's actually turning over.
Okay.
Like that.
Ah, come on.
And
Really?
You know, wait. Okay, I'm going to reach into my pocket. And believe it or not, I have 1 card in my pocket. That's actually your card.
Come on.
There we go.
What?
I've also got some really fun card controls, some stuff that I've never shared before, and I may never share again, so make sure to check it out here.
So we've got a 4 of a kind here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them up a little bit. I'm going to grab a random one first. This one, the Jack of Clubs. Now watch this one closely. Drawing a blank. That's what it looks like. You don't believe me? You want to see what it might look like?
Yeah.
All right, see, drawing a blank.
Ah.
Drawing a blank. That's number 1. All right. Let's go with the next one. Right about here. We'll go with this. Okay, the other blackjack here. Check it out. I'm just going to give a little wave. Drawing a blank. And get the second one blank. I like your reaction. Nice and blank. Now we did the first 2 one at a time. We'll do the last ones, the red ones. We'll do them together. All right. So 1 and 2 together. Watch. There's 1 and there's 2. I'm actually going to pull the ink off that one. It's kind of stuck. But actually, if you believe it or not,
Nice.
I'm going to get both together.
That's awesome.
Like right about there. There's 1. And there's, you actually feel it. You actually see it. It's actually. Of course, now we need to get this back to where it was started. So you kind of scoop up the ink that's been out there, circulating around, slide it back on there. Let's give it a little mix, mix for you. And now we're back to the 1, the 3, and the 4 jacks for you.
That's nice. I love it.
I'm also sharing my work on the double lift, the push-off double lift that I've been showing a lot of people. Been working on it for about 10 years, and now you're going to get the inner work from me to you. My name is Luke Dancy. Join me at the table.